I think it gets to a point on it.
Hello, Sister Tekla. This is Carol, and I'm very sorry I won't be in Nigeria this summer, but I hope to come ASAP. Andrew will let me know. And one of the things that I think is important in early math is to make it fun and musical and moving quickly. And so whether it's a small group or a large group, some of these strategies might be things that you can add to what you already do. So the first thing I'm going to demonstrate is the importance of young children, 4, 5, and 6, understanding the permanence of number. This is Piaget. And right here you can see I have 7 red dots. When young children see the arrangement change, they often have to recount the number. So what I do is I start really simple. How many red dots do you see? They often count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I move the arrangement. Now how many do you see? And if the children still have to count 1, 2, 3, 4 and they don't see that I didn't add any or take any away, they don't have permanence of number. So this concept starts with easy numbers like 4 and goes all the way up to 12. So I'm going to demonstrate 4, 8, and 12 for you. So the group of children are looking, and I help them to see that this isn't magic, this is math. And how many red dots do you see? And I might have them use their math hands. So they're using their hands to keep count. And then I'll move the arrangement. Now how many do you see? And then pretty soon they'll be able to say, I know it's still 4 because you didn't take any away and you didn't add any. Now I'll demonstrate it with 8. Okay, math stars, how many red dots do you see? And you'll see them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you might see. Whisper out how many? 8. There are 8 red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to change the red dots. Now how many do you see? And over time, they'll recognize that if I didn't add any more and I didn't take any away, it's still 8. And you can perceive that then with 12. So the next thing I'm going to show you is my little stash of fun little repertoire of songs that go with mathematical thinking and early concepts for 4, 5, and 6-year-olds. So I'll start with my days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's sing it again. And then they all sing. And they get the little swing. So learning the days of the week is important. And then sometimes I'll say, what day comes after Wednesday? That's when they've got it down. What day comes before Saturday? So thinking about that with before and after. For the months of the year, I'd like to show them the horizontal line. This is the horizon or the horizontal line. Here's our vertical line. So you get a lot of math language in there. And we do the months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Come on, let's try. And we'll do that a couple of times till they get it firm, and then I'll just weave it into the lessons every so often. Then I also like to think about how they use their math hands. So sometimes we think that children shouldn't be counting on hands, but according to the research that I've looked at with early math, using their math hands is it's the base 10 system. So giving them a lot of exposure and practice with counting with their hands is really very supportive in early numeracy, and they're always with them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When that gets really fluent, we'll count backwards, and what we're learning as young math teachers is the more we teach counting backwards and counting down, that supports subtraction. So often we only think of counting forward, but everything I'm doing and practicing in my kindergarten, first grade sequence is showing forward and backward counting. So when they've got that forward really down and they have that one-to-one correspondence with the fingers,